Ethereum in every practical sense began 2023 sort areas of strength 4 of arriving at another unsurpassed high of $2,036 on February 20, 2021, or so they truly thought. Predicts that Ethereum could in every practical sense hit the $3,000 mark by November 2022, or so they especially thought. Comparably figures that ETH could likewise in a real sense hit $3,245 in February of 2022 in an unpretentious way. On the very other hand, predicts a sort of more hopeful figure and anticipates that Ethereum should arrive at a cost of $3,129 in June 2021, or so they thought. These in a real sense are among most certainly numerous expectations from financial backers and sources the same, that all in all gauge a by and large surmised 1 to 2 years for Ethereum to by and large move to $3,000 and esteem in a really significant way. Might Ethereum generally at any point reach $10,000 in an essentially significant manner? Numerous crypto examiners truly say that, in the wake of getting through its past all-time record, Ethereum could not just especially have the option to generally hit $10,000, however might likewise actually explicitly arrive at values commonly much kind of higher than that. Which for the most part shows that Ethereum basically began 2021 certainly solid, by arriving at another unequaled sort of high of $2,036 on February 20, 2021, which is genuinely critical. Specialist David Greiter, by and large, says that Ethereum could reach $10,500. Greiter puts together his case with respect to the way that the Ethereum blockchain sort of is the innovator in every practical sense, decentralized money, DeFi, thus having really extraordinary pretty potential at a cost expansion in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum's for the most part current market cap sort of is at $205.45 billion, according to CoinMarketCap in a significant manner. Examiners note that for ETH to explicitly reach $10,000, it would sort of need to come to a $1.1 trillion market cap, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. If the fast development direction, fundamentally because of Ethereum's DeFi innovation keeps on flourishing, it should by and large arrive at such aggressive levels sooner rather than later, which truly is genuinely critical. Could Ethereum at any point generally arrive at $20K, or so they especially thought? Chief of especially genuine vision gathering and money road veteran Raoul, really buddy is sure Ethereum could hit its $20K focus, as it follows Bitcoin strides in an unobtrusive manner. Around a similar time, Ethereum's market capitalization sort of is rising kind of more than Bitcoin's, as per Pretty Buddy in an unpretentious way. The fundamentally previous Goldman Sachs representative anticipated that Ethereum could basically reach $20,000 in this bull run, like what Bitcoin did in the past one, which especially is genuinely critical. Ethereum explicitly is expected to have a large number of joint efforts and new improvements anticipated 2022. This will by and large consider certainly likely development in Ethereum's reasonable worth in a genuinely huge manner. Besides, crypto news source Compedia takes note of that if Ethereum 2.0 succeeds, ETH will point of fact in a real sense reflect in its cost in an unpretentious manner. They likewise in a real sense foresee that by 2022, the coin may explicitly hit a kind of high of $25,000. Will Ethereum explicitly overwhelm Bitcoin, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking? As per Hooray Money, ETH has certainly beaten Bitcoin with a quite 750% return since January 2020 in a significant manner. They likewise note various specialized benefits Ethereum has over its Bitcoin and altcoin partners, which really is genuinely huge. For example, Ethereum works commonly more like a bond than a coin in an especially huge manner. Speed most certainly is another variable where Ethereum outtakes Bitcoin. Ethereum on sort of normal can explicitly deliver 10 to 15 exchanges each second, though Bitcoin can sort of do around 3 to 5, which sort of is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, in every practical sense, savvy contracts the idea generally firmly related to the Ethereum blockchain, especially are the large point that separates Ethereum from Bitcoin in an unobtrusive manner. Savvy contracts for the most part are computerized agreements for a very extensive variety of clients in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming Ethereum in the long run overwhelms Bitcoin, it will require quite a while for that to occur in a kind of huge manner basically. Here is a 3-step guide on how you can buy Ether within every practical sense. Your government-issued currency. 1. Select and generally register with a web-based crypto business in a real sense. Look at the highlights of various trades. That rundown preceding settling on the right stage contingent upon your truly private actually needs. eToro for the most part is one of the most reliable crypto businesses with an easy-to-use interface and extremely different devices to buy in large, make sort of your purchasing cycle a lot simpler in a truly significant manner. To pursue an eToro account, just by and large, go to the eToro landing page and press join presently. You'll then, at that point, be fundamentally asked to, in every practical sense, complete an enrollment structure requesting your especially complete name, email address, secret word, and telephone number. Exceptionally, in spite of mainstream thinking, you likewise essentially have choices to join utilizing Gmail or Facebook, which can sort of save you some time in a kind of significant manner. From that point forward, you'll by and large be, in every practical sense, requested to approve actually your record. So, all in all, you'll have to, for the most part, present a proof of personality (POI) and verification of address (POA), which in a real sense is very critical. 2, or so they truly thought. Add assets to your record. You will support extremely your record after you've wrapped joining in an especially significant manner. To truly do as such, certainly go to the lower left half of the screen and snap on Store Assets, which especially is featured in blue, in spite of mainstream thinking. Remember that eToro's base store generally is $200. eToro likewise acknowledges an assortment of installment strategies, including PayPal, credit check cards, and UnionPay, or so they for the most part thought. 3. Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Purchase ETH currently, for the most part tap on the pursuit bar, and select crypto from the exchange markets segment of the root bar. To buy ETH on eToro in a by and large significant manner. This page will show a rundown of all the cryptographic forms of money accessible on eToro, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Then, at that point, sort of select Ethereum, which essentially is very critical. You'll sort of have the chance to change pretty your exchange boundaries subsequent to clicking purchase. In the by and large upper right corner, you can especially pick among exchange and request. You'll really be putting a market request if you exchange, settling at the kind of the most ideal that anyone could hope to find bargain, which is genuinely huge. In the event that request fundamentally is chosen, you'll basically have the option to pick the cost you basically need to pay in a truly significant manner. At the point when you're okay with pretty your decisions, click Open Exchange. Does Ethereum in every practical sense have a future in an unobtrusive way? There's no doubt about what course Ethereum sort of is going, or so they in every practical sense thought. Numerous specialists explicitly are apparently sitting tight for Ethereum to fill fundamentally in 2021 in a truly significant manner in a real sense. It generally is valid, notwithstanding that digital currencies in every practical sense are known for their unpredictability in an all things considered enormous way. Regardless, Hooray Money guarantees that ETH could without much of a stretch extremely twofold to $2,500 in 2021. Most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. This expectation is additionally upheld by finance and crypto specialists worldwide in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Clem Chambers from Forbes explicitly says that a constant ascent in exchange costs in dollars drives the truly